Hello and welcome. On this episode of Thursday Tool Overview, we do our Central Pneumatic 4-inch air angle grinder, item number 95504. So funny story about this tool, we actually didn't plan on buying this tool. Ironically, we got confused about the arbor size on our 4.5-inch DeWalt angle grinder because we were trying to find a use for our battery-powered grinder, and these nylon discs seemed like a good idea. So we bought these 4-inch discs thinking that they would fit. However, they do not. It's a 7/8 arbor, and I think these are 5/8. So we had a whole box of these discs and nothing to put them on. So anyway, one day we were walking through Harbor Freight, and this thing was on clearance for inside track members. So we ended up picking it up. And these discs fit perfect. So this nylon disc is literally the only reason that we have this grinder. And we use it all the time to remove mill scale or paint and so forth. It's not a bad tool. We haven't managed to break it yet. The exhaust air comes out this side right here so it doesn't blow in your face. It's got this nice side grab handle here that makes using it for a long period of time not too bad. And one of the interesting things about it is it's got this stop that, is supposed to keep you from pulling the trigger, but it's not long enough. So you're actually able to turn it on low without disengaging that, which is almost the perfect RPM for grinding with this disc. So anyway, let me go ahead and pull up the specs of this thing online. Well, there's not really a lot to tell about this thing. It's item number 95504. It is a 4-inch air angle grinder. It currently sells for $29.99 at Harbor Freight. It has a no-load speed of 10,000 RPM. It uses 6 CFM of air at 90 PSI, and it weighs 2.6 pounds. Well, that don't seem that bad. It does come with a special wrench to get in here and unscrew that. You can get 4-inch cutoff wheels that fit this, although like I said, we don't do it. We literally only use it for this polymer disc to get some mill scale off. Well, that about does it for this tool. We'll insert some footage of it grinding off some mill scale. And as you can see, they make quick work of mill scale. Let's go ahead and get an Abby report. Well, Abby, what do you think? Oh, we got a tail wag. Abby approves. Feel free to like the video, share it with anybody you think can make use of this tool, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And we'll see you on the next episode of Abby Normal Garage.